Hello my dear students, in this video we will revise lesson 7, study of continent South America. Okay, and here in the introduction part we can see that major mountains, major desert, largest lake, highest peak, etc, etc. And here first we will discuss about the Andes, where we can see Andes on the western side of the continent, from the Caribbean Sea to the Caribbean Sea to the southernmost tip are the Andes. On the western side of the continent, we can see Andes. Okay, and these are second only to the Himalayas in height. These Andes, it's a series of parallel ranges. These are second only to the Himalayas in height. The highest peak of the Andes is Mount Aconcagua. Okay, and here you can see the map of South America location and major physical features. In the picture you can see the position of Andes, the position of Atacama Desert, position of Cotopaxi, Isthmus of Panama, etc, etc. Here we can see. All of you please go through the map and find out the important physical, geographical features, and it will ask for your annual exam. So please be thorough with the map of South America, and all the map you should be thorough with. And next we discussed about the Eastern Highlands. Eastern part of South America has three major highlands: Guiana Highlands, Brazilian Highlands, and Patagonia Highlands. Okay, eastern part of South America has three major highlands: Guiana Highlands, Brazilian Highlands, and Patagonia. The Angel Falls, the world's highest waterfalls, are the Guiana Highlands in the north. And here we can see the Central Plains. The Central Plains consist of large river basins between the Andes and the highlands to the east. The Central Plains consist of large river basins between the Andes and the highlands to the east. The largest basin is that of the Amazon. The largest basin is that of the Amazon, which rises in the Andes and flows to the Atlantic Ocean over a distance of about 6,400 kilometers. And next we discussed about the coastal plains. The coastal plains along the Pacific Ocean are very narrow, almost absent. The coastal plains along the Pacific Ocean are very narrow or almost absent because of the steep slopes of the western side of the Andes. What is the reason for that? Steep slopes on the western side of the Andes. And next we discussed about the important resources and how they are utilizing it. Important resources. South America is very rich in natural resources, and it has dense forests which abound in wildlife and yield timber and another valuable products. And a large part of South America comprises mountains, plateaus, and forest. A large part of South America comprises mountains, plateaus, and forest. Okay, maize, wheat, rice are the major food crops of South America. Okay, and maize requires a warm climate with moderate rainfall. Rice is grown chiefly in coastal Peru, tropical Brazil, and Colombia, etc, etc. And cash crops also there. Cash crops are generally cultivated in large plantations. The main plantation crops of South America are coffee, cocoa, sugarcane, banana, etc, etc. And animal rearing is one of the most important activity of the people of South America. And next we will discuss about the minerals and industries. South America is rich in minerals. It is rich in minerals. The continent has large reserves of iron ore. Brazil has high grade deposit and is one of the largest producer of iron ore in the world. And here we can see the large reserves of petroleum are found in Venezuela and the island of Trinidad and Tobago. Okay, then we discussed about the transport and cities. The high mountains, dense forests, steep plateaus, and vast deserts have made it difficult to build roads and railways. The major cities are linked by roads. The rivers of Amazon basin and the Parana Uruguay basin are used for water transport. And now we can see that the important life in the Amazon basin. The Amazon basin occupies a large part of tropical South America, chiefly the northern and western parts of Brazil. and the Amazon basin is bounded by a Guiana highlands in the north and Brazilian highlands in the south. Amazon basin, it is bounded by the Guiana highlands in the north and the Brazilian highlands in the south. Okay, and what was the climate? The Amazon basin is very warm and wet region. Nights are cooler than days, but temperatures do not vary much during the year. The Amazon basin is a very warm and wet region. Nights are cooler than days, but temperatures do not vary much during the year. And what is the important resources and their utilization? Forest. The tropical rainforest of the Amazon basin are the most extensive and dense forest of South America. And what are the important minerals? The Cerrados region is rich in minerals. It has one of the richest reserves of iron ore in the world. And next we can see that the agriculture. The Amazon soil of the Amazon basin is not fertile as the continuous seeping of rainwater through the soil washes down the nutrients to the lower layer. And what was the transport and what is the important cities? It is difficult to construct roads and railways in the Amazon basin because of the dense vegetation and the damp swampy ground. Okay, these are the important points related with this lesson, and I am telling you again, the please all of you give importance for the maps. Okay, it will ask for 20 or 15 marks. Please be thorough with the maps. Okay.